how to actually get free stuff on Temu. So you've probably seen hundreds of TikToks, YouTube shorts, and random posts claiming you can get free stuff on Temu, from wireless earbuds to smartwatches and home gadgets. But here's the truth. 90% of what you see online is exaggerated or completely fake. Most people show screenshots that aren't real, or use referral tricks that don't actually work for normal users. But what if I told you that there is a real, working way to claim genuine free products, coupons, and mystery rewards from Temu? And all of it is built right into the app itself. Yes, this isn't some shady hack or backdoor trick. It's an official Temu free gift code promo hidden inside the platform that unlocks extra features the moment you activate it. And in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how this promo works, step by step, so you can use it too without getting scammed or wasting time. Trust me, once you do this properly, you'll start seeing the same exclusive offers that influencers show off online. Except this time, it'll be real. Step 1. Understanding the Temu free gift code promo. Temu runs hundreds of promotions daily, but this specific one, the Temu free gift code promo, is special. It's designed to reward both new and active users with extra bonuses. When you apply this code, it triggers a hidden layer of offers that are normally invisible. It's like unlocking a secret level in a game. Suddenly, you gain access to more perks, extra coupons, and surprise gifts added automatically to your next order. The key here is timing and correct application. Most users make the mistake of applying outdated codes or not following all steps in order. That's why they never see results. The code you need is simple. Just enter the code shown on screen right now. Make sure you're logged into your Temu account before doing it. If you don't have the app yet, download it first. More on that in the next step. The moment you submit this code, Temu recognizes your account as promo eligible, and that's when the magic starts. You'll notice banners like, "You've unlocked a free gift," or "Congratulations, promo applied successfully." This message means your account is now linked to the Temu Free Gift Center, where all exclusive rewards are stored. Step 2. Download and register on Temu now. If you're new to Temu or haven't made an account yet, this part is important. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Temu and install it. It's completely free. Once downloaded, open the app, tap on Sign Up, and register using your email or Google account. Temu gives every new user a welcome package, which includes bonus coupons and a chance to spin a reward wheel. But here's the twist. Since you've already used the code shown on screen, your welcome package automatically doubles in value. You'll get additional vouchers, shipping discounts, and sometimes even a free item to claim in your first checkout. When I tested this myself, I used the code first and then registered. Within 3 minutes, I received a 30% off coupon for my first order, a free shipping voucher, and one mystery product. Mine was a mini LED lamp, completely free. All this appeared automatically in my rewards tab, without doing anything extra. Step 3. Navigate to the free gift center. Once your account is active, go to your profile, free gift center, or sometimes it's shown as rewards hub. This is the secret area where Temu hides its active promo rewards. Here you'll see different categories: coupons, gift boxes, spin the wheel, and invite bonus. Each of these has hidden gifts you can claim. Start with gift boxes. Tap to open, and Temu will randomly assign you a surprise reward. You might get a small accessory, a $5 coupon, or even a free product that you can ship with your next order. Then go to coupons. This is where your free gift code truly shines. It automatically loads 2 to 3 exclusive coupons labeled as promo reward. Apply them directly from there so they activate during checkout. If you miss them, don't worry. You can always reapply the code shown on screen to refresh your rewards. Step 4. Add items to cart and watch rewards stack. Now the fun part begins. Shopping. Browse through categories like fashion, electronics, beauty, and home essentials. Add a few items you actually want to your cart. No need to choose random junk. As you do that, you'll start noticing your rewards activating automatically. Sometimes the price drops instantly. Other times, you'll get a pop-up saying gift applied or extra coupon used. The first time I tried this, I added a $9 phone holder. After all discounts and gift promos, the final price dropped to just $2, and I got a second product for free. That's how powerful this promo system is. It rewards every small interaction. The more you browse, add, or even review products, the more chances you unlock hidden bonuses. Step 5. Check out and confirm your free gift. When you're done shopping, tap on your cart and hit checkout. Now, before paying, look closely under your order summary. You'll see a line that says applied coupons or gift added. If you see those words, congratulations. Your Temu free gift code promo has successfully activated. Sometimes you'll even get a banner saying mystery box added to shipment. That's Temu's way of confirming your free product has been included in the delivery. If you don't see any coupon applied, don't panic. Go back to the code field and re-enter the code shown on screen. Wait a few seconds and refresh your checkout page. The rewards will reload instantly. Step 6. Delivery and real free gift unboxing. Once your order is placed, Temu will send you tracking updates through the app. And when your package finally arrives, you'll likely find an extra item inside. It could be anything from jewelry, a small gadget, to a home accessory. That's your free gift. Completely genuine and free of cost. Temu does this to encourage repeat shopping and reward loyal customers. People all over the world are sharing their free gift stories online. Some got smart plugs, others received fashion accessories, and a few even got surprise discount vouchers for future orders. Bonus tip: reuse and refresh the code weekly. Now here's something most users completely miss. Temu refreshes its free gift promo every 7 to 10 days. That means you can reapply the same code shown on screen every week to unlock new surprises. You don't need to make a new account. Just go to the rewards section, re-enter the code, and your offers will refresh automatically. This trick keeps your account active in the Temu reward system, ensuring you always get priority deals and mystery gifts first. So, to recap everything. 1. Use the code shown on screen. 2. Download the Temu app. 3. Sign up and unlock your rewards. 4. Shop, claim, and enjoy your free products. 5. Repeat weekly for fresh bonuses. It's that simple. No hacks, no fakes, no risk. Just a real, working method that Temu designed for its most engaged users. Try it yourself today and experience how easy it is to get real, free stuff from Temu. And as always, my friends, happy shopping.